After make all the changes in the local website, now you are planning to make it publicly. So you can publish all the changes by clicking on upload feature. Here you can see all the pages name are appearing. If you want to upload any particular page, so you can click from here like this and then publish the page. If you want to publish one single particular page, so you can deselect particular thing and then publish one particular page. So it will only reflect on the front view of the website, so publicly everyone can able to see the new changes on the website. So this is the way how to publish the changes on domain. Thank you.